Now, write this question down binomial. The question is a coin is flipped 10 times. The probability of 7x occurring is what? A coin is flipped 10 times. The probability of 7x occurring is dash. Let's look at another question. Now, since this thing deals with coin, it means it's what? Is binomial. So the number of times the coin was flipped was 7. Sorry, 10. It was flipped 10 times. It's n. We are now asked to find probability of 7x occurring. So now, what's probability that a head will appear when we toss a coin? Probability of success of a head appearing will now be 1 over 2. I think you know. We have two sides of a coin. Probability that a head will appear will be 1 over 2. That is 1 a head all over 2 because a coin has head and tail. This gives us 1 and 2. So these are so probably that head will appear will now be 1 all over 2 because there are two sides to a coin. So now when we divide 1 by 2, we're gonna have 0.5. We will now find Q. What's our Q? 1 minus P, and that will be 1 minus 0.5. That gives us 0.5. Then they said probability of 7x appearing. So that will be X. X will now be 7. The question they're asking us will be our X. So the formula now is P into X will now be equals to N combination X, P raised to power X, Q raised to power N minus X. Let's now insert all these values in this formula. So P into 7 now, probability of 7. What's our N? N is 10, combination X is 7 times, what's our P? 0.5 raised to power X. What's our X? 7 times, what's our Q? The same 0.5. It's just a coincidence. Then what's our N? N is 10 minus 7. Minus 7. So probability of 7 now. If you know how to punch your calculator, when you punch 10 combination 7, you are going to have 120. You don't have to punch, see me, I will teach you how to punch it. 10 combination 7 give us what? 120. And if I punch 0.5 raised to power 7, I'm going to have 0.0078125 times. If I press 0.5, 10 minus 7 is 3. So when I press 0.5 raised to power 3, I'm going to have 0.125. Confirm all these figures. So therefore, the probability of 7 appearing will now be 0.117 to 3 decimal places. That's the solution. Please don't joke with this question. It's very vital to your health. We'll solve 2 or more questions on binomial soonest.